Hey folks, Jules here, founder of Juice, and I'm here with Joshua, who's helping us organize this year's ADC conference. Now, we all love developer conferences. They're really great places to learn new things and to do great networking. But we can't always all attend them for budgetary or other reasons. So we have a really great announcement to make this year.
Yeah, that's right. So what we're doing this year is we're actually giving away a free ticket to the Audio Developer Conference and also a flight and hotel during your stay while you're here. So wherever you are in the world, we can basically fly you from wherever you are and give you a hotel to stay in during the conference so that you can attend ADC. In order to do that, all you need to do is go to juice.com/free ticket and follow the instructions. So you need a Twitter account in order to enter. And what you'll do is you'll see a tweet button there. You just click on that, and then log into your Twitter, and there will be a tweet with pre-populated text in there. So there'll be text in there. Just leave all of it the same except for the reason why you want to go to ADC. And what we want you to do there is fill in your most original and creative reason why you would like to go to the Audio Developer Conference.
So we'll be judging these, so make them creative, make them original, and we'll pick our favorite.
That's right. And we'll be announcing a winner on November 1st at 1700 GMT, so that's England time, here at Rolly. And we'll announce winners, and we're also going to be giving away other prizes such as t-shirts, blocks, developer kits, stickers, and hopefully more. There are terms and conditions and limitations to this competition, so be sure to read those. And once again, you can find those at juice.com/free ticket. I'll go ahead and I'll put the link below. And we hope to see you at ADC.
Good luck.